Good afternoon, everyone. This is JJ Smith with Smith's Bell in Canby, Indiana. What you're looking at here is a Model 16 Seth Thomas clock with stripe from 1910. This clock has been completely restored and renovated by us, and it is serial number 1612, July 30th, 1910. It's going back to Vinton, Iowa. Jasper County Courthouse. So I'm just going to give you a brief overview of the clock. This clock obviously didn't come like this. It was had 100 years of dirt and debris and whatever you can name in a 100-year-old clock that was on it. So we get it back to the shop. We go through everything, make all the parts and pieces that are missing, and this is the end result. This is what you see.